Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a Grade C iPhone from Cashify. Grade C devices offer excellent value, featuring visible signs of wear such as minor scratches or small dents, but they are completely functional. Every Grade C iPhone undergoes a thorough quality check to ensure it works perfectly. Plus, Cashify provides a reassuring 6-month warranty and a convenient 15-day replacement policy, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. This makes them a smart choice for budget-conscious buyers. To begin, simply visit the Cashify website or open their user-friendly mobile application. Once there, look for the Refurbished Phones section and then specifically choose iPhones from the available categories. This will display a wide range of options. To narrow down your search and find the best deals, make sure to apply the Grade C filter. This ensures you only see devices that match your desired condition and budget. Before making your final decision, it's crucial to carefully review the product description and all accompanying images. Pay close attention to details about the device's condition. Always verify the battery health, which Cashify typically guarantees to be above 80% capacity. Additionally, take a moment to confirm the specific warranty and return policy details for the particular device you are considering. This ensures full transparency and satisfaction. Once you've found the perfect Grade C iPhone, simply add it to your shopping cart. Then, proceed to the checkout page where you can select your preferred payment method from the available options. After successfully confirming your order, you can expect your device to be delivered right to your doorstep within 3 to 5 business days. Enjoy your new, budget-friendly iPhone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.